Hi, I'm Carol, the Office Administrator. Here at the Cremation Society of Virginia, we ensure that the remains of your loved one are handled in a dignified manner and are respectfully covered. At all times, we will be able to identify the remains of the deceased before, during, and after cremation. Before cremation, the body of the deceased is properly handled in a manner consistent with accepted methods. The authorizing agent or assignee positively identifies the remains and may witness the placement of the deceased into the cremation chamber. All cremations are performed individually. The Cremation Society makes every effort to recover all of the cremated remains. Operators are state certified, and each cremation counselor is a licensed funeral service professional. We'd be honored to hear from you. Remember, Cremation Society of Virginia. Simple, dignified, affordable.